When it comes to bulking and gaining muscle mass, it's important to focus on consuming an overall surplus of calories and nutrients. Here are 5 nutrient-dense foods that can support your bulking goals. 1. Lean meats. Lean meats like chicken breast, turkey, lean beef, and fish are excellent sources of high-quality protein. They provide essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and repair. 2. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, oats, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and important vitamins and minerals. They provide a sustained release of energy and support muscle glycogen stores. 3. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese are packed with protein and also contain beneficial nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. They can contribute to muscle growth and recovery. 4. Legumes and beans. Legumes and beans, such as chickpeas, lentils, and black beans, excellent sources of protein, complex carbohydrates, and fiber. They are also rich in micronutrients and can be a valuable addition to a bulking diet. 5. Healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can provide additional calories and support hormone production. Healthy fats are calorie-dense and can help you meet your caloric surplus goals. Remember that while these foods can be beneficial for bulking, it's essential to customize your diet based on your specific needs, goals, and dietary preferences. Consider working with a registered dietitian or nutritionist to create a personalized meal plan that aligns with your bulking objectives. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the subscribe button to keep updated as and when new videos are released. Also, let us know in the comments section which videos you'd like to see next.